Hello my YouTube friend, it's a beautiful day. I'm waiting for my patron Rafael. He's bringing a giant collection of pops to trade for me. He's looking for a whole bunch of anime grails that I put to the side for him. He's gonna trade me a lot of newer exclusives, some Comic-Con pops, just some really cool stuff. What happens is when I get really expensive pops, I get really nervous of having them in the store just because they're expensive. I'm afraid someone might shoplift them. And if I sell them on a credit card, maybe there'll be a chargeback. You know, so these kind of things make me a little nervous. So I love trading, especially Rafael is one of my patrons, so he helps support the channel each month. So I'm happy to do a big trade with him. I'm getting a little bit extra value, probably about a third more in value in cheaper pops, like $15 to $20 pops, which are great for the store because they sell really well. And he's getting some really awesome, expensive grails. Some stuff up to, I think there's 3 pops over $300 and a bunch of like $20 to $100 pops. So I think he's gonna be really happy with the trade. I'm gonna be excited to go through the box. All right, so he should be here any minute. Let's wait for him. Okay, here he is. He's got a giant box of pops. All right, I'm so excited to go through these. Hey, Rafael, how are you?
John, this is heavy.
Okay, all right, just put it down. We can talk for a second. Hey. You excited to do this? You ready to dig through everything?
I'm super excited.
Okay, this is gonna be fun. All right, let's. We're gonna bring the box in. I'm gonna start digging through them.
All right.
And then all of a sudden, it just like it skyrocketed to like
Almost
200 or 300.
Almost $200, yeah.
Yeah, that was just insane. It's just insane what pops do sometimes. Sometimes it just doesn't make sense.
For anime, it's a little bit more in line when a new arc is coming out.
Right, people get hyped up. Like, is that what happened with One Piece? Did they have something? But One Piece has been around for like 30 years.
One Piece is kind of, well, I don't know.
In a bazillion episodes.
But I mean, a lot of them are getting vaulted. Like I think Chopper is getting vaulted here pretty soon.
The regular Chopper? Or
the flocked one.
The flocked one. Oh, okay. I
thought
thought that was. But that might mean they might do the All Might thing where they produce the fuel. I don't know. I hope not either.
Because I spent 300.
Yeah, you're about to get 300. No, I know exactly. Although, but that all might pop back up to like 150, 200 after.
Yeah, it's still holding good value.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly,
I get a little nervous about what Funko's doing, but at the same time, every time something drops like that, like I got the League of Legends DJ girl, Sonya. I don't know if you know that.
Oh, yeah.
She is dope. I really want her. She was at 200.
Right.
Then they did that thing where they reissued it right before vaulting or whatever. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna finally get her. I got her for $50. I thought she was just gonna stay, but now she got up to 200. So I just like.
Yeah, the ones that keep getting restocked for some reason are Hot Topic. Hot Topic is
yeah, Hot Topic. I don't trust any of those.
The Hot Topic is like, let us get some more.
Yeah, you know, Hot Topic's like, don't vault that. We're gonna sell it. We don't care if it's got secondary market. So yeah, Hot Topic. I haven't trusted since the Battle Damage Deku.
Deku was so.
That thing was
crazy.
like destroyed in value.
Like it went up to like almost $400 at one point, and then it just restocked. And
so if it's like a Hot Topic, if it's worth anything, I don't go out of my way. I'll get, like, if someone brings it, it's worth 100, I'll give them the 50. I'm happy at that.
Right.
But I'm not gonna go on eBay and buy it for 100.
Right.
Because I was like, they're gonna restock, you know.
Yeah, that's the only reason why I enjoy more trading than anything else.
I kind of like it too, because at least at the end of the day, you know you didn't pay the full value.
Right.
Stuff, you know. And that way, you if something does happen, it's like you're not as worried about it because you haven't lost the full amount of the value.
But if they do New York Comic Con this year, because they're talking
about doing it. Like I've heard, I haven't seen any ticket announcement yet.
July is usually when they do it.
Well, no, usually April is when they release the tickets. April, May, I think.
Didn't they push it to like November? Or was that San Diego?
San Diego's gonna be in November. San Diego usually the tickets drop in like January.
Right.
And then the New York Comic Con ones drop in like April, I think, or at least. Maybe they might do the professional tickets before the regular tickets, because I usually, you usually have to get that done by June. I think it's like from April to June is the window to get your professional tickets. So I haven't heard anything yet. So maybe they'll do it a little bit further in as they get a little more confident in it. I mean, the way things look, I think enough people would be vaccinated, they'll probably be safe. But I don't know.
I feel like that's how they should do it. Is like if you have your passport, like you're
right, you have your card, you're allowed in. You just prove that you got vaccinated. You're in. If everyone's vaccinated, it'll be very low risk for all right, let's check out what Rafael brought today. We got a oh, this one's cool. So we got the metallic Target exclusive. I think I actually just got a couple of those. I'm gonna have to double check. All right, let's open up this big box. Oh, I see some sodas in there. That's cool. I'm really enjoying the sodas. Okay, gonna open that up. Ah, so there's a lot of cool exclusives. This is gonna be really good for the store. I like having this stuff because this is all like $15 range, except for this guy. That's a nice, awesome Pez set. That's got some value to it. Some soda cans. Okay, so this is awesome. Let me price this all out and then I'll show you where everything is in this box. Okay, we have the first batch of stuff pulled from the box. Pretty cool stuff. We have some Target Con stuff, which I don't have yet. So we have the Flock Tails. The child's cool. Eeyore Chase, this is cool. Rafael, I think, bought a 15 or so of these to try to get the Chase. He ended up getting a few of them, so he had an extra one. So I'm excited for that because I don't have it yet. The Funko Shop Michael Jordan, that one I'm excited for. Auto Man Target Con, I needed that one as well. Some duplicates. He likes to buy a bunch of stuff to trade later on. I think he was after the Chase on the Ang, but he struck out on that one. More Tails. The really cool Mystique, I love that one. So, oh, a couple of these guys. I'm really sorry. I have the regular version, but not the pop culture sticker version. So that one's going into my collection. Some more duplicates. Batman. Bulma. Oh, this one's really cool. I don't have that one. That's going to the collection. I do have this one, but I haven't filmed it yet. Some more Angs. I think I need that Skeletor from Target. All right, so that's the first batch of stuff. Let's dig through some more. All right, we got another wall of cool stuff. Got Shrimp Brick. We got some older Batman ones. A Riddler Chase, that's really cool. Some more Batman ones. The Making Fun set, this is really cool. I love that. The limited Pez set from the ECC Comic Con. That one I do have already. I just haven't filmed it yet. I believe this is like a Legion of Collectors box, sort of, that came out. Very cool set. Some Dragon Balls stuff. The Charlie Day one is really cool. I love that one. I think I have those. Ron Burgundy. This is a really cool Tails and Sonic set. I love that one. I actually didn't have that set. I'm really excited to get that. Some more valuable ones in there. More Batman stuff. I love this one. I think this one's undervalued. The really awesome Skeletor and Throne set. That one I missed out on. I'm really excited to get that. I think I need that one actually. I missed out on that one. Happy to get that. Is that a duplicate of Charlie Day? Well, yeah, so we got one duplicate. Oh, I didn't have this Freddie Funko of Rick. Really cool. Really happy to get that. So, very cool batch of stuff to go through. Okay, here's the last batch of stuff that Rafael's trading to me. So, we got some fun sodas. We have Woody Woodpecker, a Man at Arms. The cool kid let me know that this is the Super Tails and Super Silver and not Sonic. Made a mistake. We have the Boo Berry right here. Love that one. We have another Woody Woodpecker, the Cobra Con soda, and then two really awesome upsets, which I don't have. I'm really excited to get those. So actually, I'm going to keep one, and then I'm going to sell one. All right, very awesome stuff. All right, so if you guys are curious, all those pops I just showed you, Rafael is trading me for these anime pops. So he's getting a lot of really awesome Grail anime pops. You know, stuff that's $80, $90, $60, $20, $30, and then some of the big boys. $300, $360, $45, $350. So I'm happy with this trade because I get kind of nervous having the expensive stuff in the store. I'm getting a lot of really fun $15 to $20 stuff to sell. And Rafael is getting a really awesome set of anime stuff for his own collection. So it's an awesome trade. I'm happy and I think he's happy. All right, Rafael has his bag of stuff right there. You super excited?
Oh yeah, I'm happy to get rid of these grails that have been, you know, late in my collection for so long.
Yeah, no, that's super exciting. Honestly, I have all of them, so I understand.
Yeah, I was surprised when you did the video, and I was like, I have to email you as fast as possible. Yeah. Because I know that these are going to be extra wanted, and I had to tell you to hold them for me.
Yeah, I think you messaged me like within an hour of the video coming out. Yeah, it was pretty quick. So he got them on hold. So I've been holding them for about half a week. And we did the trade, so I'm really excited for this. So this is awesome.
Yeah, it's super awesome.
Okay.
Thank you.
I will see you soon. I'm sure we'll do another big trade in the future. All right, awesome. All right, see you later. Okay. All right, it's been a long day. I'm just going to give you a little update. After Rafael left, we opened up and people have been trading stuff in left and right, so I am exhausted. Let me just give you a little update what's going on in the store. All right, so I have this giant pile of Pops that were just traded in. I ended up trading a arcade 1-up machine that I bought last weekend for the Pops and a couple $100. Wait, over here, if you might have noticed, over here I had an arcade 1-up machine that I just hadn't processed yet. I bought it from Dave, I think last weekend, and I really wanted it, but I realized I just didn't have room for it, and Cheyenne decided, oh, that's really cool, he really wanted it, so we did a trade. I'm actually kind of happy about that, just for the space and a little bit less money spent. Okay, and then we have another person traded in just a little handful of Pops. Nothing too exciting. These were actually a little bit damaged, so I had to pay kind of cheap on these. That stack. And then I also traded for a 10-inch Beastman, which I needed for my collection. I'm actually kind of excited for that. And just another handful of Pops. Some cool stuff. Like this one I really wanted, but it's damaged on the top, so I had to pay a little bit less than value on that. This really cool set, again, a little damaged, so I had to pay a little bit less on that. And I think he just did store credit. So we basically just did a trade. He got some other Pops that he wanted. Commodus, a Father of Ultra. And I actually didn't have this set yet. I thought I did. But it's the Chrome Aquamans. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm exhausted. And then the other thing is I had 2 more boxes come in from Aaron, and I didn't have time yet to go through that box yet, which I promised I would do today. So I'm going to try to do that before we close today. Those I'm going to save for tomorrow. All right, let me start digging into that box. All right, let's open this guy up. All right, I'm just going to take a quick look inside because I think it's all sodas, and then I'm going to set them up again like I did in the last video. Okay, yep. All sodas, a couple loose ones, but they're in bubble wrap, so that's good. And a bunch more in cases. So I'm sure they all arrived really good. Okay, let me open these all up, price them out, and then I'm going to set them up so you can see them. Okay, we have the first batch here done. Let's see what we got. The first batch had a bunch of commons. So a lot of these I probably have already, or I didn't have that one, but there's 2 of them, so one of those are going to be for sale. I might have been missing a couple of the commons, so that is cool. We have a Skeletor Chase, 1 in 1,000. That one is really awesome. Love that one. I don't think I have the common Kato. We have the Peter Potamus. He was a 1 in 1,000. Very cool chase. And a couple more. Okay, let me open up a few more cans and show you what I got. Okay, I got the second batch of sodas ready. We have a Barney Rubble Chase. That's 1 in 1,200. That one I think I have already. I really like the Bob Ross one. I think this one's pretty limited, even though it's not a chase. We have the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man Chase. That's 1 in 2,500. The Joker. I think those 2 I have. I think I had that one as well. This is also duplicate. This one I think is going to Cheyenne. He wanted that one. Oogie Boogie's really cool. Tearaway Face Clown. I think this one's kind of rare, even though it's not the chase. And a Count Chocula. All right, very cool. All right, let me go through the next batch of sodas. Okay, another round of sodas. Let's see what we got. We got Jean Levoot. We have the Muttley. I have so many of those right now. The Lino Chase, that's cool. He's 1 in 1,200. We got Superman. He's awesome. We got the Speed Racer Chase. This one's pretty limited. 1 in 800. That's pretty awesome. Oogie Boogie. I feel like the Oogie Boogie Chase should be the common, and the common, which is like green and glow in the dark, should be the chase. It's kind of weird to me. But this one's limited to 3,300 pieces, so not too limited, but still awesome. We have the Bebop Chase. That one's really cool. I like the day glow, dark light type style. The Jean Lefoot Chase. That one's cool. Limited to 1,200 pieces. Spike Gore, the common. That one's cool. Couple more. Oh, this is one of the more valuable sodas. It's the Captain Crunch Chase, limited to 600 pieces. That one's very limited. I think that one's 150 to 180, somewhere around there. And Secret Squirrel. Okay, really awesome batch of sodas. All right, let's go on to the next one. Okay, next batch of sodas. Lots of really cool ones. We have the Bob's Big Boy. Love that one. Dick Dastardly, a wrestler. The Thanos Chase, which is cool. This one's limited to 3,300, so it's not super limited, but still cool. More wrestlers. The Samurai Jack Chase, really excited to get that one. Limited to 1,600 pieces. Reverse Flash, limited 2,500 pieces. The common Thanos, Chili Willy, the common Aku, the Chase Jack, really excited to get that. Limited 3,300 pieces. The common Captain Crunch is cool, and a second one, so I'm gonna have a second Jack for sale. Very awesome batch of stuff. Oh, I'm having so much fun going through these sodas. I'm really excited to have a big chunk of the collection now in my collection. So very awesome. All right, let's go on to the next batch. Another batch of awesome soda figures. This one is a lot of fun to me. Okay, we have a Deku. Very cool. We have the Rocksteady Chase. That one's limited to 1,600 pieces. We have the Great Bape. That one is cool. I just happen to have one of his comic books right there. I thought that was cool. We have the Star Child. We have the Joker Chase. This one has really gained in value recently. We have the regular Captain Crunch. I think that's a duplicate. The Leatherface, I think he's a duplicate. We have Envy Adams. She's not a Chase, but she's still pretty limited. We have the Chase Batgirl, limited 2,500. I actually think the common version of her, since a Comic-Con exclusive, is the same limited as that Chase. So she has some value. Freddie Mercury, very cool. Fred Flintstone Chase. Really say get that one. Limited 1,200 pieces. The Scareglow Chase, that one's got to have some value. Limited to 1,200 pieces. And then finally another one of the Mexican wrestlers. Very cool. So that batch of sodas was a lot of fun to me. And then the final 3 soda figures, we got the common Samurai Jack, which I really excited to get. The common Kato, which is also very awesome. And another Secret Squirrel, so he'll be for sale. So that was a lot of really fun soda pops. All right, so I'm working on this a little bit, but I'm putting all the soda pop figures I have for sale on the wall right here. I just have to move some stuff. Basically, I have the can with the figure on top, have the price. I can hang it up here, try to put the duplicates together, so it's a little bit easier to get through. When I'm done, I think all the figures are going to be moved. I'm just going to have soda figures here, and this is where I'm going to sell them for now on, especially if I start getting more. Usually, once I start having them in the store, people start trading them in. It's kind of how it works. Okay, I'm tired. This is actually the second day. I wasn't able to finish the soda pops yesterday, so I just did all the filming of the actual pops on day 2. But I did add up the value of all of them last night so I can get Aaron paid. And the collection this time was just under $2,000 worth of sodas. So it was a lot of sodas. I'm really excited to add a lot to my collection. And I think overall with Aaron's collection, I'm going to have a vast majority of the soda pops that have been made. So what's really cool is this time it's going to be a little bit difficult for me since I'm going to be spending more than I'm going to make. Usually I try to sell enough to make a little bit of a profit so that the ones I do keep are for free basically. But in this case, I know in the future, if I get another big soda figure collection like this, I'll be able to sell most of them and actually make a big profit. So this is fun. And I'm really excited to get them because I think the soda figures are going to gain a lot of value over the next few years because they're a ton of fun to collect. They don't take up as much room as Pops. You can take them out of the can and display them and not worry about losing value by destroying the box. And I think a lot of people are going to get into them, and I think a lot of people are getting into them. If you might have noticed, Funko's making a lot more soda figures. I still have a lot of work to do in this store, but I'm going to do that in the next video. I want to thank my patrons for supporting my channel. With their help, I'm able to do more videos like this more often. I'm going to put a couple other mega epic Funko Pop hauls right there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!